Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 606, construction from binary tree. And in this we are given the root of binary tree construct, and we have to construct a string consisting of parentheses and integers from binary tree with the preorder traversal way, and we have to return it. And we have to omit all the empty parentheses pairs that do not affect the one-to-one mapping relation between the string and the original entity. Okay, so let's look at the examples. In this, we are given this is the binary, and we have to form a string from this binary using a preorder traversal. I hope that everyone remembers that how we can do the preorder traversal. That is, first we'll be traveling the node, and then we'll be traveling the left child of the node, and after that we'll be traversing to the right child of the node. Okay, so preorder means node and then left and then right. Okay, so we are given this as an input. So starting from the first node, we'll have to go through the second node, and between these two nodes, as we have to append a parenthesis, as we can see here, an opening bracket is added, and then from the 2 we have to again move to its left child, that is 4. So we are adding a parenthesis, opening parenthesis again, and then we'll be appending 4, then we'll be closing both the parentheses. Okay, so this whole selected one represents that this is the left subtree of row of node 1. Similarly, if we want to write the right subtree, then what we'll be doing, we'll just starting an parenthesis, sorry, and we'll be appending 3, and then we'll be appending the closing parenthesis. Okay, so this is how this string is formed. And here we can see it also gives us explanation that originally it was meant to be we also have to add empty parentheses for the right child, those are null, but in this case this won't be affecting any one-to-one mapping, as we can as we know that if uh, there is only one parenthesis, that means we are talking about the left child. And if we are having in the next example, we can see that in this case the mapping is 1, then 2, and then there are these empty parentheses which contains nothing. So this means firstly we are talking about the left child, then this is the right child of that particular node, that is 2. Okay, so now let's go towards it. And firstly, let's take the base case that if my root is equal to null, I'll be returning an empty string. Okay, else what I'll be doing, let's have a string builder, let's call it answer, that will be equal to new string builder. Okay, and let's have a function, let's say preorder, and in that we'll be passing the string builder and the okay, let's pass the root node and my string builder, and at the end just return string builder dot toString. Okay, now let's write the function. Let's declare it private, and it will be a void type of function. Let's call this function preorder. Okay, so now it will be taking two parameters. First one will be tree node, that will be node, and my string builder, that will be answer. Okay, so here what I'll be checking, that if my root okay, sorry, it's my node is equal to null, I'll just return. Okay, yeah, return. Otherwise, what I'll be checking, that if uh, my root not left, that means that the left subtree is not equal to null. Firstly, I have to add ans dot append opening bracket. Yeah, and then what I'll be doing, I'll be calling the preorder function again, preorder, and with node dot left and result. Oh, sorry, answer. Okay, and here I'll be just appending the closing parenthesis, append. Okay, and if this is not the case, let's say the left child of that is null, so what I have to do, I will checking that if my root dot right is not equal to null, I'll just simply have to append in an empty bracket, a pair of empty brackets. Okay, these. Okay, so and after this I'll be checking that if my root dot right is not equal to null, my root dot right is no, I'll be doing result dot append here again opening parenthesis, then I'll be calling the function again, that is preorder, this time with the right side, that is node. Okay, I guess I've written root so many times. It should be node here. Okay, node, yeah, with node dot right and my answer, and again I'll be appending the closing parenthesis result dot append. Okay, so now let's run it, and okay, it says can't find. Oh, sorry, here it should be answer dot append, not result. And let's start append. Now let's run it again. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot to append the value. Okay, here what I'll be doing, ans dot append node dot var. Yeah, now let's run it. Yeah, and it works. Now let's submit it. And it works perfectly. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.